Happy New Year! It's January 1st, 2021, just before 4 o'clock. The weather in Vancouver is a cloudy, rainy day. As you can see, here is just Stanley Park behind me, and I'm about to go and do something crazy again. Yeah! Polar Bear Swim, another swim in the ocean, with the difference that the event got cancelled, so I'm just gonna go to the ocean myself and prove that joy always wins, no matter what. So beautiful outside, and it's such a miracle because I've been waiting the whole day for the rain to stop, and it was just like pouring rain. Look, I even have my umbrella with me right there. So I just step out and it's not raining. La 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 la. Let's see how it's gonna be before I get to the beach. I'm so excited. The rain really stopped. I'm not that very far from the beach, so let's see. Hopefully there is no rain. But you know what? When you say yes to life, when you follow your dreams, this is exactly when the magic happens. And so it is. The rain just stopped so I can go and not get wet while on the beach. Look for this magical tree. Whoa. And here is me on the bench, actually behind the bench of a lady. We both made this bench for her, of a lady whom I really loved a lot. And I called her my third grandma, but she passed away in 2020. God bless you, Kathleen. I hope you're very happy where you are. I've made it to the beach. There are not many people. Just behind me is the second beach swimming pool. Yeah, it's not raining. Yay! Let's get ready. I put everything to the back just in case if it starts raining. Wow! Let's do it. Let's go to this very cold water. Yeah, la 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 la, it's cold. There's only one dream that I have. I just want to go to this water again. Let's do it. The water I just heard is 4 degrees. So yeah, the coldest water from your faucet it's 17 degrees. So this is quite colder. Woo. And you know what? Today it was like that. Shall I go? Shall I not? Shall I go? Shall I not? It's raining. You know, excuses, excuses. So the mind was like, no, 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 no. I called a few people. No, 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 no. But I went to my heart and I asked a question, how my heart feels. And it just smiled. So I say, that's it. I'm gonna do it. I'm going to feel alive. I'm going to welcome 2021 with the energy of health, strength, following your dreams no matter what. Screw the excuses. If I'm enjoying something, I can't get enough of it. Like, yeah, my hands are cold, my feet are cold. But so what? I just want to run and run and enjoy it. It takes half an hour to put your clothes back because your hands are like stiff and frozen. But the happiness is just beyond description. Somehow I have to put my pants and shoes still on. And everything is covered with the sand. Look at my toes. I have my clothes on. I did it. I'm super proud. Super happy, super proud. Yes. Happy New Year again. And now quickly home. But I have to still show you this beautiful, beautiful sky. January 1st, 2021. Peaceful ocean.